Almost a king, yo. It's about a thing, yeah. Feel real good with your hands in the air and lick some shots in the atmosphere.
For the party, let's take a little time and talk about it. What's going through?
Welcome to my Get Ready With Me. Hello, how are you? Ni hao, aloha. Sure. So I'm gonna do a very yellow inspired, spring inspired makeup. I've noticed, you know, whenever I do very bright colors on my face, I get very like happy. Like I feel like it's just like pulling out the me inside of me on my face. Like it's just like, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. If you want to know about this hairstyle and everything, I will mention it at the end of the video. So yeah. Other than that, let's get on to this video.
coasting along that fine line. Little bit toasted over some wine time. That's my zodiac is 69. I ain't crabby, that's just my sign. Wish some philosophy. I don't wanna talk, I just wanna be. Pull you on closer to me. I make the first move, you make the next three. I'll take you where I go. I'll take you where I go. I'll take you where I go.
So I'm extremely sorry that my phone, like my camera keeps dying, and like it'll be on the most important. Oh my god, I need to do my under lashes. Okay, I hope this happens quick because like it keeps dying every 5 seconds, and I thought I charged it last night, but I guess the charger like said no. I'm really in love with this makeup. Okay, so guys, this is my end of my makeup. This is all that I'm going to do. I hope you guys really like this. Oh, the hair details about this. So this was actually a weave before, and you've seen this. I did a weave video or a curly hair routine video on this. I'll link it down below. But this is the actual same Eunice Brazilian Jerry curly, and this is in a 20-inch. I just used the rest of the track and I just put it in a ponytail. So like my few thoughts about this hair is like it's super like natural AF. Like I swear to God, when I had it as a weave, like it was so close to my hair, it kind of looked like a Jerry curl. So I was like, but like as a ponytail, this is so like this whole thing is a look. I'm looking like a snack, I'm looking like a freaking banana, and I'm loving all of it. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you want a hair tutorial on this, just comment down below with the banana. That'd be so freaking cute. But yeah, comment down below banana if you want to see this hairstyle. It's super quick and easy. I actually think I have a video on this hairstyle, but who knows. If not, just comment down below banana. And just to say, can you join the family, please? If you're just like a new person watching me, just join the family. I make cool videos, and I kind of am cool, maybe not, a little awkward, just a tad bit, but it's okay. I hope you guys like this video. I think I said it about 10 billion times. I'm just hoping that my camera doesn't die. That's so annoying. But yeah, I love you guys. And P.S. if anybody wanted to know, I leave little messages in my description box just for you guys. You don't have to look at it. You can just watch the video, but like it's just, you know, inspirational or motivational, or if I'm just chilling on my bed eating Takis, you never know. It's just me trying to get closer to you guys. So yeah, I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.
I don't wanna talk.